In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Canva business cards. Designing your business card on Canva is just the start. Now, let's dive into the practical steps to bring your creation to life on paper. First, you'll want to open Canva in your web browser. If you haven't already, log into your account and navigate to your dashboard. From here, find the option for business cards, either by searching in the templates section or locating a design you've previously crafted. Once your design is open on the screen, look towards the upper right corner for the Share button. Clicking this will open a variety of options, but what we're interested in here is the Download option. This is your gateway to saving the design in a print-friendly format. Now, a dialog box will appear, and from here, you'll select PDF print as your file type. This option ensures that your design maintains its quality and dimensions when printed. If your design features elements that need precise alignment, it's wise to check the crop marks option before proceeding. These marks will guide you or your printing service in trimming the cards accurately. After this, click on the Color Profile option if it's available. Ensure you select CMYK instead of RGB for the color profile. CMYK is crucial for professional printing as it best represents colors as they will appear on paper, stopping any unexpected variations. Once you've verified all the settings, proceed by clicking the Download button. This action will save your design as a PDF file to your computer. You should see a confirmation or an automatic download start, often indicated by an icon popping up in your browser's download bar. Next, open the downloaded PDF file. In your browser or PDF viewer, there should be an icon that looks like a printer, often referred to as the print icon. Clicking this will open your printer settings. Here's where you can tailor your print job to fit your needs. Adjust the number of copies, select the paper size, and ensure the orientation is correct. Finally, press Print to send your design to the printer. Be sure your printing stock is appropriate for business cards, such as thick cardstock, to give it a professional feel. If you're printing them at home, make sure your printer settings are optimized for the best quality, or consider taking it to a local print shop for a more polished result. By following these steps, you have successfully transformed your digital design into tangible business cards, ready to hand over at your next networking event. Don't forget to check each card for quality and alignment, adjusting your print settings, if necessary, for future batches. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to print Canva business cards that leave a lasting impression.